Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we are simplifying a surd expression. Let me just rewrite it. Okay, there I have root x and another root x there and a root x there. Now I just need to rearrange what is down there. Here I'll be having x to the power minus 3, then it's multiplying x to the power of 3, root of that. Okay, now to get rid of the root signs, I'm going to use this law here. So to get rid of the first one here, on over this x, I will say x to the power half. And that is multiplying this one. And to get rid of this root sign over this x here, I will say x to the power 1 over 4, because there are two root signs over it. And then the other one, likewise, I will say x to the power 1 over 8 because of these three root signs. Then I'll do the same thing down there on the denominator. I'm going to have x to the power minus 3 over 2 for this first one. For the second one, I will have x to the power 3 over 4. Now, these terms are multiplying each other. They've got the same basis. So I'm going to add the exponents. So I'll be using this law right here. So here I'll say this is x to the power, I'll put 8 down there. Then I'll say 4 plus 2 plus 1. This all over. Here I'll add again. I'll do the same thing. I'll add the exponents. I'll say x to the power. I'll put a 4 there. Then I will have minus 6, then plus 3, like that. Okay, then I'm going to simplify. That is going to give us x to the power 7 over 8 on top. And there I'm going to have x to the power minus 3 over 4, if I simplify what is here. And then I'm going to use again this law when we are dividing exponents with the same basis. We are going to have x to the power 7 over 8 minus 3 over 4, like that. And if we add up everything here, we're going to get 13 over 8 on top of that x as a power. Then we've come to the end of this question. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.